We'll guide you through how to use BlueStacks. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're going to go and hand over to Pauser, who's going to run you through this.
So the first thing that you need to do is download BlueStacks. So you can just go to the description and pinned comment of this video and click on the link. This is an affiliate link that supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And once that you have done that, you will land in this website. So now here, just go ahead and click on download BlueStacks. And now your setup exe file will start downloading. And as you can see, it has been successfully downloaded. So just go ahead and click on that to open the setup wizard for BlueStacks. Click on yes if prompted. And now your setup wizard will appear. Here, you can change the installation directory. Just go ahead and click on change and click on change folder. And now you can just go ahead and select any folder and click on OK. And once you have done that, just go ahead and click on back. And here you can read the terms and condition. And after reading the terms and condition, just go ahead and click on agree and install. Now the download process may take some time, so be patient and wait for the BlueStacks to be installed on your device. And then once that the download is complete, it will also check for system requirement. Just wait for it to complete the process and also pause your PC antivirus if it is interfering with the installation. Once that the installation is complete, BlueStack will automatically launch. Now, when it opens for the first time, it may take some time, so be patient and just wait for it to load. And now, when it opens the first time, you will see BlueStack's home screen. Just go ahead and go to your home. And now, once you are in the home page, just go ahead and go to your system apps and you will see Play Store. Just go ahead and click on Play Store, and if you have not previously signed in with your account, BlueStack will prompt you to sign in with your account. So just go ahead and sign in and you can use it like mobile. So just go ahead and search for any apps like CapCut and hit enter. And now here you can just go ahead and install CapCut on your BlueStack also. Just click on it and click on install. Just wait for the installation to complete. And once that the app is installed, you can just go ahead and go to your home screen. And now here you will see CapCut has been successfully downloaded in your BlueStacks. Just click on it to open and use it like a normal mobile app. Now, let's go over some important features. If you want to move files from your PC into BlueStack, just go ahead and open System Apps, and here you will see Media Manager. Just click on it. And so basically here, you can import files from your Windows into BlueStack or export file back to your computer. If you want to import, just go ahead and click on import from Windows, and if you want to export, just click on export to Windows. This is useful if you are using editing apps or want to transfer images, videos or document. So now the next topic that we will cover is performance settings. If BlueStack feels slow, just go ahead and click on the settings icon at the bottom right corner, and here go to performance. Here you can increase the CPU cores and RAM uses. So basically, don't use more than half of your system resources or your PC may slow down. So to see how many cores your CPU have, just go ahead and search for SYS in the Windows search bar and open system information. And as you can see, mine is 4 cores. So I'm just gonna go to BlueStacks and set it to medium, which is half the core of my PC. And you will also see memory allocation. So basically, make it half of your RAM, so which in my case is going to be 4 GB as mine is 8 GB. And set the performance mode to high performance for smoother gameplay. And don't forget to click on save changes. And after saving the changes, you may need to restart your BlueStacks, so let's go ahead and do that. After that, let's go to the graphics settings. Here you can just click on the drop down and try options like OpenGL or DirectX depending on which works best for your system. If something lags, you can always switch and test again. Now, let's quickly see how this app works. When you open games like Subway Surfers, BlueStack automatically maps your keyboard controls. So instead of touching a screen, you can use arrows key or WASD keys to move. This makes mobile games much easier on PC.